Hi dears, how are you? Hope you're fine and safe. We have just started our fourth lesson, Rhino Land. Okay, in Rhino Land. You know, in this first section, the mother rhino and a tourist told the story of these rhinos and the other living creatures in this Kashiranga National Park. Okay, let us just go through the rest of the story. All of you listen to your textbook, page number 47. Okay, we have to learn this rest of the story today. If you listen it well, first of all, I am going to read it. Listen it well. Although we do not have lived together as a herd, I do see many other rhinoceros or small groups of mothers and their calves. We sometimes exchange notes and discuss how relieved we are to not have to worry about hunters and poachers. Over the years, I have wandered around Kashiranga and have seen that the park is varied and large. I especially have the tall elephant grass and the tropical forests. However, Raina seems to enjoy walking in the marshland. Sometimes we back into one of the four major rivers in our park. The Brahmaputra water is cool and comfortable on a hot day. It is winter now, but the afternoons are still very warm. I think Raina and I will have a little fun in the Brahmaputra today. But since she is only a year old, I will take her to a safe spot away from the place where the larger animals gather. At the moment, I can spot a wild boar and an Asiatic water buffalo, but otherwise we are surrounded only by a hornbill, an Assam roof turtle, and a family of monitor lizards. The river is lovely to wade in, but it also reminds me of the endless rain and the floods of the last year. More than three quarters of the park was flooded, and we have to rush outside the southern border. Several of us moved to the higher regions of Mikher Hills. My friend Chumki told me yesterday that the Indian Army has now constructed raised sections or chamberies for us. I'm so glad we can be safe on top of the chambery. Sorry, we can be safe on the top of these chapparis if it rains too much this year. Raina will soon need to learn about the other animals that live with us in this park. But she is so bright that she can already recognize the tiger, the leopard, the Bengal fox, and the hoolock gibbon. Did you know that hoolock gibbon is the only ape living in India? Once I showed Raina the Ganges dolphin in one of the rivers. She gets puzzled when she sees all the birds. She says the Dalmatian pelican, the Indian vulture, and the back-bellied tern all look alike. Can you imagine that? Those birds are so different from one another. But she is learning. I like watching like Raina splash in the water beside me, and I know that she will make friends here. She will grow up surrounded by open grasslands and the most fascinating flora and fauna. So many forests are being cut down everywhere that I am glad that she has a safe home here. I hope that like many of us too will she too will learn to enjoy the friendship of humans. Listen to your book. Okay, I will give you a small description about this section first. Okay, although we do not live together as a herd, I do see many other rhinoceros or small groups of mothers and their calves. These rhinoceros are not living as a group. They are living not as a group. അവർ ഗ്രൂപ്പ് ആയിട്ടല്ല എന്ത് ചെയ്യുന്നത് ജീവിക്കുന്നത്. But this mother rhino could see many other rhinoceros or small groups of mothers and their calves. ഇപ്പോൾ നമ്മുടെ ഈ കഥ പറയുന്ന ഈ റൈനോസറസ് ഉണ്ടല്ലോ, അത് ഗ്രൂപ്പായിട്ടല്ല ജീവിക്കുന്നത്. അതും അതിൻ്റെ കാഫും തനിയാണ് ജീവിക്കുന്നത്. പക്ഷേ അവിടെ വേറെ കുറേ ഗ്രൂപ്പുകൾ ഉണ്ട് അല്ലേ, വേറെയും കുറേ റൈനോസറസിനെ ഇവർക്ക് കാണാൻ പറ്റുന്നുണ്ടെന്നാണ് പറയുന്നത്. ഓക്കെ, ദേ ക്യാൻ സീ മെനി അതർ റൈനോസറസ് ആൻഡ് ആസ് ദെയർ മദേഴ്സ് ആൻഡ് ദെയർ കാവ്സ്. എങ്ങനെയാണ് അമ്മയും കുട്ടിയായിട്ട് അല്ലേ, മദർ റൈനോ ആൻഡ് ദെയർ കാവ്സ്, അങ്ങനെയാണ് ഇവർ ഗ്രൂപ്പായിട്ട് കാണാറുള്ളത്. അല്ലാതെ മൊത്തമായിട്ട് ഒരു കൂട്ടായിട്ടല്ല അവർ ജീവിക്കുന്നത്, അല്ലേ, ഒരു ഫാമിലി ആയിട്ട്, ഓരോ ഫാമിലി ആയിട്ടാണ് അവർ ജീവിക്കുന്നത്. So sometimes exchange notes and discuss how relieved we are to not have to worry about hunters and poachers. This Mother Raina told us that they are not living in a group, but they share their experiences with other groups, okay, with other rhinoceros, that how they are relieved, how they are free in this Kaziranga Park. They have not to worry about hunters and poachers. Who is poachers? Poachers, people who catch or kill animals illegally, അല്ലേ, നിയമവിരുദ്ധമായിട്ട് ഈ ആനിമൽസിനെ പിടിക്കുകയും കൊല്ലുകയൊക്കെ ചെയ്യുന്ന ആളുകളെ എന്ത് പറയുക, പോച്ചേഴ്സ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. ഹണ്ടേഴ്സ് തന്നെയാണ് ഉദ്ദേശിക്കുന്നത്. ഓക്കെ, റെഡി? This Raina says that we are not living in group, but we shares our experience each other, and they are all happy to live there because they are safe and they have not to worry about this hunters and poachers. Okay, ഹണ്ടേഴ്സിൻ്റെയും പോച്ചേഴ്സിൻ്റെയും ഒന്നും ശല്യമില്ലാതെ ഇവർക്ക് എന്താണ് സ്വസ്ഥമായിട്ട് ജീവിക്കാനുള്ള ഒരു സിറ്റുവേഷനാണ് ഈ കാശിരംഗ പാർക്കിലുള്ളത്. അതുകൊണ്ട് തന്നെ അവർ വളരെയധികം റിലീവ്ഡ് ആണ് ആൻഡ് ഹാപ്പിയാണ്. റെഡി? ഓവർ ദ ഇയേഴ്സ് ഐ ഹാവ് വാണ്ടേഡ് അബൌട്ട് കാശിരംഗ and have seen that the park is varied and large. I especially love the tall elephant grass and the tropical forests. Mother Rhino wandered around this Kaziranga over the years and have seen that the park is varied and large. That Mother Rhino says something about this park. This Kaziranga park is varied and large. Varied means that there is not only this rhinos. There are many other animals, birds and other plants and trees. Let's see what we can see in this Kaziranga National Park. I especially love the tall elephant grass. They love to eat this elephant grass. Elephant grass means it's a type of large grass, a type of tall grass. Could you see this elephant grass in this picture? It is taller than this rhinoceros. Okay, ആ പിക്ചറിൽ നോക്കിയാൽ കാണാൻ പറ്റും. ഇതാണ് എന്ത് എലഫൻറ്റ് ഗ്രാസ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. ഓക്കെ, ഈ എലഫൻറ്റിൻ്റെ അത്രയും ഉയരത്തിൽ വളരുന്നത് കൊണ്ടായിരിക്കാം അതിനങ്ങനെ ഒരു പേര് വന്നത്. ഓക്കെ, ആൻഡ് ദ ട്രോപ്പിക്കൽ ഫോറസ്റ്റ്, ദിസ് മദർ റൈനോ സേസ് ദാറ്റ് ഷീ ലവ് ദിസ് എലഫൻറ്റ് ഗ്രാസ് ആൻഡ് ദ ട്രോപ്പിക്കൽ forest. What is tropical forest? Forests that grow in warm regions that receive a lot of rainfall. An area which get a lot of rainfall. Okay, however, Raina seems to enjoy walking in the marshland. നിറയെ പ്ലാന്റ്സ് നിറഞ്ഞ ഏരിയയാണ് റൈനയ്ക്ക് ഇഷ്ടം എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു, അല്ലേ, ഗ്രാസി ലാൻഡാണ് ഇഷ്ടം എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു. ബട്ട് ഷീ ആൾസോ എൻജോയ്സ് വാക്കിംഗ് in the marshy lands. Here Mother Rhino says that she loves the tall elephant grass and tropical forest, but her little calf, Raina, enjoy walking in the marshland. Marshland means what? An area of soft wetland. Okay, wetland നമ്മൾ ചതുപ്പ് നില എന്നൊക്കെ പറയില്ലേ, ആകെ മണ്ണും ചെളിയൊക്കെ പൊതഞ്ഞ് കിടക്കുന്ന ഏരിയ. ഓക്കെ, ചതുപ്പ് നില എന്നൊക്കെ പറയും, അതാണ് എന്ത് വെറ്റ്ലാൻഡ്, മാർഷ്ലാൻഡ്. Okay, this little Raina enjoys walking in the marshland. Sometimes we walk into one of the 4 major rivers in our park. There are many rivers through this park. Ready? Many rivers are flowing through this park, and this rhino, Mother Rhino and her calf enjoys walking along this park and in its rivers. The Brahmaputra water is cool and comfortable on a hot day. One of the major rivers of this national park is, one of the major rivers of this Assam is Brahmaputra. Okay, water in the Brahmaputra river is very cool and comfortable on a hot day. നല്ല വെയിലുള്ള ദിവസത്തൊക്കെ, അല്ലേ, ഇവർ എന്ത് ചെയ്യും, മദർ ആൻഡ് റൈന will go to this river. The water is very cool and comfortable on a hot day. It is winter now, but the afternoons are still very warm. No, now it is winter season when this mother Raina tells the story in the winter season, but the afternoons are still very warm. Okay, but afternoons are very hot and warm in this winter season. അല്ലെ വിൻ്റർ സീസൺ ആണെങ്കിലും പകൽ സമയം എന്താണ് നല്ല വെയിലും ചൂടൊക്കെ ഉണ്ടെന്നാണ് മദർ റൈന പറയുന്നത്. ഓക്കെ, ഐ തിങ്ക് റൈന ആൻഡ് ഐ വിൽ ഹാവ് എ ലിറ്റിൽ ഫൺ ഇൻ ദ ബ്രഹ്മപുത്ര ടുഡേ. ആൻഡ് Mother Raina says that she and her calf Raina will have fun in this ബ്രഹ്മപുത്ര ടുഡേ. ബ്രഹ്മപുത്ര റിവറിൽ അവർ എൻജോയ് ചെയ്യുന്നതിനെ കുറിച്ചാണ് പറയുന്നത്. ഓക്കെ, ബട്ട് സിൻസ് ഷീ ഈസ് ഓൺലി എ ഇയർ ഓൾഡ് ഐ വിൽ ടേക്ക് ഹർ ടു എ സേഫ് സ്പോട്ട് away from the place where the larger animals gather. If you know that this little Raina is only 1 year old and her mother has to take care of her, and she take her to a safe spot away from the place where the larger animals gather. അല്ല അവർ ബ്രഹ്മപുത്ര റിവറിൽ പോകുമ്പം അവിടെ വേറെയും ഒരുപാട് ആനിമൽസ് ഗ്യാദർ ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ട് അല്ലേ, ലാർജ് ആനിമൽസ് ഗ്യാദർ ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ട്. അതുകൊണ്ട് തന്നെ മദർ റൈനോക്ക് ലിറ്റിൽ കാഫിനെ ഒരു സേഫ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള സ്ഥലത്ത് എത്തിക്കേണ്ടതുണ്ട്. അറ്റ് ദ മൊമെൻറ്റ് ഐ ക്യാൻ സ്പോട്ട് എ വൈൽഡ് ബോർ ആൻഡ് എൻ ഏഷ്യാറ്റിക് വാട്ടർ ബഫല്ലോ. വൈൽഡ് ബോർ മീൻസ് എ വൈൽഡ് പിഗ്, കാട്ടുപന്നി എന്നൊക്കെ പറയില്ലേ. എ വൈൽഡ് പിഗ് ആൻഡ് എൻ ഏഷ്യാറ്റിക് വാട്ടർ ബഫല്ലോ. ഓക്കെ, ഇറ്റ് ലുക്സ് ലൈക്ക് എ ബഫല്ലോ. They can see this buffalo and wild pig when they go to this Brahmaputra river, but otherwise we are surrounded by a hornbill. അല്ലെങ്കിൽ അവർക്ക് അറിയാൻ കാണാൻ പറ്റുന്നത്, or they are surrounded by a hornbill. There is a picture given in your textbook. Okay, hornbill's picture is given there. An Assam roofed turtle, that a tortoise. Okay, Assam roofed, a large type of tortoise, that is turtle, and a family of monitor lizards mean a large type of lizards. Okay, they can see this wild pig, buffalo, and hornbill, lizard or turtle. These animals they can see in this river side of this Brahmaputra. The river is lovely to wade in, but it also reminds me of the endless rain and the floods of last year. They love and they enjoy playing in the river, but it also reminds this mother Rhino the endless rain and the floods of the last year. Last year they had a flood in this river. Flood എന്താ, excessive water അല്ലേ, എന്താണ് ഫ്ലഡ് എന്ന വെള്ളപ്പൊക്കം. ഓക്കെ, ലാസ്റ്റ് ഇയർ they had a floods and it reminds the mother rhino. More than 3/4 of the park was flooded due to this heavy rainfall in this last year, and we had to rush outside of the southern border. Due to this heavy rainfall and flood, there's rhinos and other creatures in this park had to run away from here to the southern border. എല്ലാവർക്കും southern borderലേക്ക് ഓടിപ്പോവേണ്ടി വന്നു because of this flood. Okay, several of us moved to the higher regions of Mikir Hills. Several animals moved to the higher portion of this Mikir Hills. Okay, my friend Jumki told me yesterday that Indian Army has now constructed raised sections or chaporis for us. Mother Reina says that her friend Jumki told yesterday that Indian Army has now constructed raised section, higher portion on this Kashiranga National Park or chaporis. Chaporis means shelter for animals during this floods. Okay, ഫ്ലഡ് വെള്ളപ്പൊക്കം വരുമ്പോൾ ആനിമൽസിന് സേഫായിട്ട് ഇരിക്കാൻ പറ്റുന്ന ഒരു ഉയർന്ന പ്രദേശത്തുള്ള ഒരു സ്ഥലം, അതാണ് ചപ്പോറീസ് മീൻ ചെയ്യുന്നത്, ഒരു ഷെൽട്ടർ ഫോർ ആനിമൽ. ഐ ആം സോ ഗ്ലാഡ് when she heard that Indian Army has, when her friend told that Indian Army has constructed raised section or chaporis for these animals, she became very happy. We can be safe on top of these chaporis if it rains too much this year. This year they will be safe on the top of these chaporis if it rains heavily. Reina will soon need to learn about the other animals that live with us in this park. And here, Mother Reina says that she is only 1 year old and she has to know more about the other animals in this park. ഓക്കെ അപ്പോൾ ഈ ലിറ്റിൽ റൈനയ്ക്ക് ഇവിടെ ഏതൊക്കെ തരം ആനിമൽസ് ഉണ്ടെന്നൊന്നും കൂടുതലായിട്ട് അറിയില്ല. ആൻഡ് Mother Reina says that she has to learn more about this park. But she is so bright that she can already recognize the tiger, the leopard, the Bengal fox, and the hollow gibbon. Mother Rhino says that her little calf is very bright to understand some animals in this park, that she can recognize the tiger, she can understand the tiger, she can identify the tiger and leopard and the Bengal fox and hollow gibbon. Gibbon, it's a type of ape. It belongs to the monkey family. Gibbon, okay. It's a type of monkey. Okay. Do you know that the hollow gibbon is the only ape living in India? It's the only ape that living in India. Okay. Once I showed Reina the Ganges dolphin. Okay. Once I showed Reina the Ganges dolphin. Ganga dolphin. Okay. Is one of the rivers. Once Mother Rhino showed this Reina a dolphin. A Ganga dolphin. And she gets puzzled when she sees all the birds. Reina gets puzzled when she sees all birds in this park because she feels like all birds are alike in this park. The Dalmatian pelican and Indian vulture and the black-bellied tern all look alike. Can you imagine that? Those birds are so different from one another. But she is learning. The Reina says this Dalmatian pelican, Indian vulture, and the black-bellied tern. These three birds are different from each other. But when Reina sees this bird, she feels that these all look alike. Can you imagine that? They are those birds are so different from one another. This Reina says that this all birds look different from one another. But her calf says that they all look alike. Okay, I like watching little Reina splash in the water beside me, and I know that she will make friends here. Okay, she enjoy watching her little Reina splashing water, and she know that she will make friends here. Okay, little Reina will make friends here in this river. She will grow up surrounded by open grasslands and the most fascinating flora and fauna. What is flora and fauna? This is the interesting plants and animals species. Different types of animals and plants. Okay, she will grow. This little Reina will grow up surrounded by these grasslands and the most fascinating flora and fauna. Okay, so many forests are being cut down everywhere, and I am glad that she has a safe home here. Everywhere this grasslands are cutting and destroying, but she is very glad that she has a safe home here. They are safe in this Kaziranga National Park, and they hope that, like many of them, little Reina too will learn to enjoy the friendship of humans. Okay. Here, Mother Reina tells the story of this Kaziranga National Park and the animals and birds and her little calf. Okay, all of you try to understand the meaning of this lesson, and you can find out the picture of those animals and birds yourself. Okay, try to find out it yourself. Okay, you can find the pictures of hornbill, water buffalo, wild boar, hornbill, Assam-ruffed turtle, monitor lizards, and hollow gibbon, Bengal fox, Ganges dolphin, Dalmatian pelican, Indian vulture, and black-bellied tern. You can find out the pictures of all these animals or birds yourself. And if any doubt, you can ask me or also message me. And try to understand the meaning of this first section. Okay, let us learn the rest of the story in the next class. If any doubt, just ask me. Thank you. Have a nice day.